Wait, you're supposed to wake him up. Don't go back to sleep. Maddie. You're supposed to wake him up. Maddie. You're supposed to wake him up. Don't go back to sleep. Good morning, Joey. Hey. Good morning. Good morning.
I want to watch Waters.
What's wrong with you? Good. How about a good morning? Before you do weird stuff and say gross stuff. Joey, say good morning. Say good morning. Oh, cuddles.
Gift him a casserole.
That was nice of you. It's his last week of kindergarten.
Why?
'Cause
I have 4 days of school and then I'm done.
and then he gets to hang out with Matthew all summer long. Yay!
Good morning, Joe. Good morning.